Alright, go. Mrs. Baby, so wall contact louder than any other sexual sound. Boom, margarita for my cute senorita. Triple and tequila, Jackie had another flavor. Chucking down on my J&B. One chicken of a parts of date anatomy. Forget the brain, forget the personality. One man after is my effect of my gravity like Trinity. Flying high in the game like controlling the game with a heavy duty twist. Better get ready for a big surprise. It's summer, but it's only on the rise. When show Mrs. Baby, she won't contact louder than any other sexual soundtrack. Tip as we skip to the next trip, gushing some dust and some rockstar bullshit. Moving in for the turn, moving in for the girl. I got us a room, and I fancy a girl, and we got everything we need. A bigger bag of money, a bigger bag of weed, and the tattoo in face. I start to adjust to top the press. We need to guess this is ready, get ready for a big surprise. I think it's summer, but it's only on the rise. When so Mrs. Baby, she won't contact louder than any other sexual sound. So got it going on, but this bitch is still on the microphone. So Miss Bitch, and I am me. I love pretty girls and I love to eat. I made this rap from my mind, and I am very, very kind. I let you drive friends and fancy car and tricks me like chocolate bar. I said I'm bad, but I am good, so shut up now and eat some food. Joke, ano ba problema mo? Ayusin mo naman. Lagyan mo naman siguro para ka nang atunan. Ano bang inaatong pag mo sa bago mo ang partner? Sa taong ka nang sipin, wala ka pa rin talent. Chong, ano bang sinasabi mo? Mali ang sinasabi mo. Magaling akong kumanta. Alam mo ba yung pizza pie? Kung sa bagay, mahusay nga naman yung pizza pie. Gamit ang busi mo, pag nalalagyan mo ng kulay ang kanta. Diba kahit ikaw ang gumawa, alam natin mas okay kung ako yung kumanta. Chong naman please lang, huwag ka nang magyabang. At alam mo naman na pagpakakalang at ilan na ba ang talagang nagawa mo kanta? Ilan? Wala, ano ngayon? Alam naman natin lahat, kasi busy naman ang talaga dapat ang vocalist ng karaoke ba na parokya ieda. Teka lang, 1 minute pwede ba pagkaulit maaaring malaman ka sa paligo? Subalit bakit mo naman nasabi na ikaw ang nararapat? Iniisang kanta wala ka na isulat. Sinulat ang kinakanta natin. Sobrang sumikat tulad ko. At ito at ito at pinanawala na yata masisikat pagkahitasin. Oh, salit, huwag ka nang makulit. Kung ayaw mo masipas sa mukha na malupit, baka makatikip yan na siswela di ka mao. Sinilista dedikado sa gutina di ko talo. Talaga, mag-ingat, tawa na ba ako? Hindi ko kitiyano ka mo talaga mapigwando. Huwag kang mag-aangas sa aking ibalbas. Di na maatras sa gamila. Huwag muna kayong maglaban bago kayo magsubukan. Mag-ino muna bago sapan. Hindi maunawaan. Sige na, sige na, please na please. Magbayag ka ng jeepney, wala pa ng G's. Kung ayaw mo mangyari ang mangyari sa iba, matuto tayo kung paano magtutuba. Oh my God.